Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 Rivian R1S Dual-Motor, analyzing software-driven traction in extreme sand dunes. The desert is where fake performance dies. No asphalt. No perfect traction. No shortcuts. Just heat, soft sand, and brutal resistance fighting every single rotation of the tire. And that's exactly where the 2026 Rivian R1S Dual-Motor enters the conversation. Because this SUV is attempting something almost controversial in the off-road world. Replacing traditional mechanical lockers with pure software intelligence. No clunky locking differentials. No old-school crawling hardware. Just code, sensors, and instant electric torque. So the question is simple. Can silicon really survive where mechanical engineering has dominated for decades? The moment the R1S attacks its first steep dune, you immediately feel how aggressive Rivian's torque management system actually is. Instead of waiting for wheel spin chaos, the software predicts traction loss before the tires completely break loose. Power shifts instantly across the axle with almost unnatural precision. And honestly, it feels less mechanical and more surgical. Every grain of sand becomes part of a real-time calculation happening thousands of times per second. That's the advantage of electric response. No delayed gear changes. No turbo lag. Just immediate torque delivery directly to the wheels with available grip. But desert driving exposes weaknesses fast. Especially heat. Massive heat loads build inside the motors while climbing soft dunes under full throttle. And this is where most EV systems begin protecting themselves by cutting performance. But Rivian's thermal management strategy is clearly engineered for punishment. Even during repeated high-load climbs, the cooling systems aggressively regulate battery and motor temperatures to maintain consistent output. That consistency matters. Because in deep sand, momentum is survival. Lose power for even a second, and you're digging yourself out of a very expensive electric SUV. But what makes the R1S fascinating isn't just capability. It's the philosophy behind it. Traditional off-road legends relied on steel hardware, locking diffs, and mechanical brute force. Rivian is betting the future on software-driven precision. And surprisingly, it works. The 2026 R1S Dual-Motor doesn't feel like a tech experiment anymore. It feels like the beginning of a completely new off-road era. One where lines of code are becoming just as important as suspension travel and tire size. And out here in the desert, that future suddenly feels very real.